on who to, how, and when. The accusation remains very broad, that he was recruited by Czech intelligence 8 years ago and later betrayed his country. The case has shocked Russian journalists who are adamant Mr. Safarov is innocent, describing him as professional and as a patriot. His articles hit hard, and many didn't like that. China has announced retaliatory sanctions against senior US politicians who have been outspoken critics of its human rights record in Xinjiang. The US Republican senators Marco Rubio and Ted Cruz are among those targeted. The Chinese Foreign Ministry did not elaborate on what the sanctions would entail. Last week, Washington imposed visa bans and asset freezes on Chinese officials said to be involved in the mass detention of Uyghur Muslims. Beijing denies mistreating its Uyghur minority.
Fucking 100 Muslims, huh? Obama, of course. Obama was their sugar daddy dick. Couldn't pay all that money out. I don't know.
The governor said all those killed were employees of the National Security Directorate. Secunda Kamani has more details.
The attack in the capital of Samangan province began this morning with a car bomb. Government then opened fire. Since signing an agreement with the United States in February, setting out a timetable for the withdrawal of foreign forces, the Taliban have continued fighting with Afghan government forces, but had refrained somewhat from large-scale attacks in major cities. Today's blast, however, is just that. It comes amidst heightened tensions over a prisoner exchange plan that is meant to lead to direct talks between militants and the Afghan government.
You're listening to the latest world news from the BBC.
Alright, cool. Alright.
The Director
Damn
General
thing's
of the World
dying
Health
here.
Organization,
Shit.
Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, has said too many countries are headed in the wrong direction and coronavirus remains public enemy number one. Dr. Tedros said the situation was only going to get worse if basic containment measures were not followed, and there would be no return to the old normal for the foreseeable future. Latin America has become the world's second worst region for coronavirus deaths after Europe. More than 144,000 people
blessed be everybody. Stay strong like we've been doing. Stay aware.
Mexico, with 35,000 deaths, has become the country with the fourth highest number of COVID-19
35,000 deaths.
Peru and Chile have also been severely affected. A plan to tighten coronavirus restrictions in a part of Catalonia in northeastern Spain has been thrown into confusion by a judge's ruling that annulled a decision by the region's government. Our Europe editor Danny Eberhardt reports.
The confinement was meant to begin at midnight. One Catalan newspaper reports that a restaurant owner went to bed last night in tears at the prospect of once again having to shut his doors. He woke up to learn the judge had overruled the regional government, so called his staff back in. The judge felt the measure to be disproportionate, leading the authority of a national state of emergency. That expired last month. Catalonia's leader, Kim Torra, disagrees. He says the steps needed to protect people's health amid a local outbreak. He's planning to pass a decree to get around the obstacle.
Google has revealed plans to invest about $10 billion in India over the next 5 to 7 years.
Wow.
The American firm's Indian-born chief executive, Sundar Pichai, said the move reflected Google's confidence in India's digital economy. He said Google wanted to double India's internet uptake. Facebook and Amazon have already plowed billions into India's expanding business.
I don't know. Think not. Oh, blue light out again. Look at that. We'll upload this one for sure. That was a good shortwave broadcast from the BBC London. That feed.